Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm gonna show a true wireless Blitzwolf earphones. Let's first unbox the box and see what we got. And here we go. We got a user manual and a warranty card. All the Blitzwolf product come with 18 months of warranty. And these are some ear tips and USB charging cable. Now here is the main earphone case with built-in battery for charging the earphone wirelessly. The charging box packs with 520 mAh of lithium battery. It can charge the earphone 4 times. The earphone is IPX5, waterproof plus sweat resistance. Now talking about this earphone, this packs with 50 mAh of lithium battery inside. It supports Bluetooth 5.0. Talk time is around 2 hours and both earphone got mic. Weight is only 5 grams each. The sound quality is not that great, but it does the job. It has been daily driver for me since 1 month and it has been an amazing experience for me. I will leave a purchasing link for this earphone in the description below, you can check that out. That's all for today's guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.